The OzBiONY technology for natural cellulose from EFB is highly potential for commercialization. The invention can solve waste management problems in the palm oil mills in a sustainable manner, as well as contribute to the circular economy of Malaysia. OzBiONY is a novel biomass pretreatment system that employs an ozonolysis process in a well-mixed reactor to fractionate biomass into cellulose-rich and lignin-rich components without damaging its natural properties. OzBiONY prototype with a capacity of 2.5 kg of powdered biomass is available at University Technology Malaysia. The prototype consists of horizontal reactor unit to degrade the glycolic bond of lignin, washer unit to fractionate the chemical components, filter unit to separate the insoluble and soluble components, and an evaporator unit to recover the soluble components. A cellulose fraction isolated from EFB using OzBiONY is called OzyCELL. OzBiONY is a simple process with no waste produced compared to KRAFT lignin process, which uses alkaline and acid in the pre-treatment step. Up to 50% yield in shorter reaction time with minimum harmful chemical usage and cost production. This OzyCELL could be a platform material for various applications in downstream biorefinery process such as nanocellulose. Nanocellulose produced from OzyCELL by using DAS hydrolysis is named BiOZ-CNC. BiOZ-CNC is nano-viscid in shape with high length to diameter ratio and crystallinity up to 77%. The thermal degradation of BiOZ-CNC is higher than 180 degrees Celsius. The BiOZ-CNC has a large capacity to absorb water from surrounding. The degradation enthalpy of BiOZ-CNC is about 319 joule per gram. the conventional pulp and paper process, the pre-treatment OzBiONY process is cleaner, cheaper, and simpler. The process could produce higher value-added bio-based chemical products such as OzyCELL and BiOZ-CNC.